Aaron Glaab has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, here is the box of stuff that I sent to him, and here's what he did with it. The story, according to Aaron: "Bro, I'm coming in fast. Watch your six." "Roger that. I got my quarters on the dashboard. You got your fingers on the paddle shifters? It's pinball time. Hey, I'm gonna owe you a new taillight after all this. You ready to slip away? Drop the smoke, man. I'm out of here. Hit that afterburner and I'll lay down some suppressive fire. Hold on to those rockets in case things get rough around the hairpin turn. I don't think I'm gonna need them. I got this. We're so far ahead of the pack now, I don't even hear their engines. Slide and punch it. Finish line in sight. We can't take them with us. Let's roast these engines. Shift, shift, shift." Screaming across the finish line in sixth gear, both members of the YouTube elite have won this season's death race. From cuddly cats to crazy carnage, it is amazing how far these young racers have grown their following. You liked and subscribed to their channel? Your following brought them supercars, and now, with a little help weaponizing from their sponsor, they're going to Mars, folks. We would like to thank you for watching this epic season of Gaslands UK and encourage you to barter, trade, or steal your way to a vehicle. Anything with wheels will do, and then sign up with your local affiliate for either a zombie bash or big game hunter, depending upon your exact location, for a chance to get signed and sponsored next season. Anyone can enter at your own risk. Gaslands UK and all affiliated trademarks are not responsible for any criminal acts committed before, during, or after season events. All riders enter at their own risk. All right, and cut transmission. That's a wrap, folks. 17 million viewers. New record with ad revenue still pouring in. All right, let's get these racers and their vehicles loaded up. We only have 6 hours before the Australian circuit starts their broadcast. It will be a long day of racing. Sipping his drink and smiling to the crowded room, the well-dressed man declares, "Segregating the internet by regions was the best thing we ever did. The world feels much smaller now, just as we planned." Cuts to final lap of Death Race Australia. Mutated rats and kangaroos litter the track. It's a tight race and the bullets rain into anything not armor-plated. The Brothers of the Bush have a slight lead. The napalm is dropped and every member of their 6-man crew unloads their clips into the competition. Flames erupt from their exhaust as they redline through the grandstands. These boys will not be stopped by anything. Disclaimer: spectators have been advised to stay on high alert, as the course is more of a general guideline than a defined track. Ding, ding, dingo! We have a new champion. The dust settles, and amazingly, every member has survived. As you well know, their sponsor fed and supported their family, and now we have a victor. A similar disclaimer plays in the background as the camera crew gets its final close-up shots of the brothers embracing and cheering. Cue limo end and end transmission. The brothers are escorted from the scene and into an armor-clad stretch. Once locked inside, they are given fresh bottled water, a rarity in the wastelands. One exclaimed, "I've been drunk off smudge," a crude fermented drink, "for months since my actual last sip of water." Their escort replies, "Control the water, control the world," and silence fills the vehicle. Feeling awkward and uncomfortable, another brother breaks the silence. All bolted in and locked down, it feels like the warden and Maxine did a little collaboration. Just then, the divider rolls down between the front and back seat. A female sits behind the wheel and retorts, "You're not wrong," and swans never swim alone. She throws the limo sideways and screeches in, nearing a second vehicle. Peering out the tiny driver's view port, they catch a glimpse of another similar car and a massive military outpost carved into a mountain. All goes dark entering the vault. Pneumatic tools unbolt the doors, and the nervous team steps out, getting its first unobstructed look at the pair of deep purple armored vehicles and the two mystery men exiting the other car. "Who the hell are you?" That's exactly what I was about to ask. "Well, we just won the Gaslands tournament and flew out here. Must be halfway across the bloody world by now. It's been half a day. Where is this rocket to Mars? Oi, excuse me, we just won the tournament, and it's our tickets you're talking about. Before an argument can ensue, the floodlights in the underground bunker illuminate a massive arena. A loudspeaker announces, "Ammunition reloaded and petrol refueled. Please proceed to your vehicles." To everyone's surprise, on opposing sides of the room are both teams' cars. Confusion and panic set in as the YouTube elite and the Brothers of the Bush make a mad dash to their respective corners. 3, 2, 1, go! Their engines roar to life, and there is no time to strategize. Concrete floors and bunkers reverberate the sounds of their motors and echo each shot from the weapons. It's a grueling battle as they fight to the death. The performance cars are at a serious disadvantage in these closed quarters. Speed can't be utilized, and they fall victim to the barrage of the brothers. The flaming wrecks of their vehicles are immediately cleared from the ring. What now? We won our season fair and square. We beat this surprise death match. Now give us our passage to the promised land, the eldest brother shouts into the darkness. The floor begins shaking and the tile they are parked on lowers, revealing a second level. More lights kick on, and the brothers are blinded. The loudspeaker blares, "Prepare to meet your makers." 12 figures are outlined sitting in a fortified spectator box. As our eyes adjust and the faces become clear, the brothers are met with none other than the sponsors. Yandi Idris, Scarlett Ann, Yuri Miyazaki, Andre Mishkin, Grant Rutherford, and the Warden Candelia herself, and so on. She speaks for the group. Funny it is just how small-minded you people have become. We run the world, control every resource available down to the bolts you barter for bread, and yet everyone is eager to fight for a way out. We watch you band together, pooling your resources, entire townships sacrificing so much to give hope for one family. We publicize every aspect of your underdog story to feed our machine. Everyone roots for you. They gladly trade their hard-earned credits for season passes and useless junk. What they don't know is their Gaslands is not the only Gaslands. We built the walls that separate you. We divided the nations. We made you feel small and helpless so that you would fight for our entertainment with just the tiniest glimmer of hope. Mars is real, but if you want to get there, you must now fight the one who has provided so much for you specifically. You know him well. The man, the myth, the legend, Verney. Sirens blaze as his technological monstrosity is revealed. His voice now bellows through the PA. Hello, boys. Nobody has bested me yet, but I will give you the opportunity to at least upload your consciousness for the Martian Racing Syndicate. The AI could benefit from some new moves. Aaron, the builds are fantastic. The story is fantastic. I hope I did it justice with my reading. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I have. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.